So tomorrow I'm going to give a talk about astronomy and society, especially about what is the impact of astronomy, a science that sometimes feels so far away for the humans. What is the real impact of astronomy in our lives, and why is it important to know more about the universe where we live? I think everyone is invited to join, and it's going to be a talk for everyone. So the level is not going to be an academic or a university level. It's really for everyone to come, to learn, to participate, because I also want to know their opinion about how they perceived what we do as astronomers. It's the first time I'm going to present this in Aruba, and this year is a very special year for us. We are celebrating 100 years of the International Astronomical Union, that is the union of all the professional astronomers around the world. We are also celebrating the 50 years of the moon landing. For the first time, humans walked on the moon 50 years ago in 1969, and actually this week we are celebrating that. So this talk is part of those celebrations. First of all, I think it's important for us to know that we live on a planet, and a planet is part of a solar system that is part of a galaxy that is called the Milky Way. And this sense of perspective that we can get for astronomy is very important. If we think about the moon landing program 50 years ago, it was the first time that we looked back at Earth and we managed to take a picture of our own planet in color. And we saw that from space, our planet doesn't have any borders. It's just one unique planet with land, oceans, an atmosphere. And I think that perspective, that the Earth as a whole, is an important perspective that you need to know nowadays.
Saya também tumulugar mayan, setor e meio, começando setor e meio, dus nós também tem lecture para professor de local A. Segundo essa aí não é aula, dus é outro local. Então, dus nós invitamos a gente para chegar na leitura que não, qual também está muito interessante para o público em geral. Dus não tem idade específica ou não também está riba nível acadêmico, dus é também está muito simples e também guardo explicar para o professor na maneira aí também. Nós somos uma organização relativamente nova, basicamente recentemente há ano, oficialmente, nós fomos fundados dia 21 de junho de 2018. Dus a intenção de nós está também nossa missão está para promover parte de astronomia e também natureza, das ciências por trás para o público geral, e também criar tipo de evento educativo para o público em geral por participar aqui.
Essa aqui é Arubiano, o website